Building AI agents is easy. Writing the perfect system prompt to keep them from hallucinating? That takes hours of trial and error. Meet the AI Dev Prompt Suite by Gative AI, the ultimate prompt engineering engine built specifically for developers. Whether you're building a Claude MCP server, an N8N automation, or a local Ollama model, just select your platform, type your objective, and hit compile. In seconds, our engine applies the S.C.H.E.M.A framework to generate a strict, production-ready system instruction formatted exactly for your environment. Need a multi-step agent? Use the Agentic Builder to stack tool calls, reasoning, and memory into a flawless workflow definition. Every prompt is graded for maximum CTAR and reliability. Plus, it's the only suite in the world generating elite system prompts in full Arabic. Stop guessing and start building. Try the Dev Prompt Suite for free today at gateofai.com.